has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alamance County, southeastern Davidson County, Randolph County, southeastern Guilford County, northwestern Chatham County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Randleman to 11 miles east of High Rock Lake, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burlington, Asheboro, Graham, Randleman, North Carolina Zoo, Mebane, Elon, McLeonsville, Gibsonville, and Pleasant Garden. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central North Carolina. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Davidson, Guilford, and Randolph.
Oh no, tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 42, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Davidson, Guilford, and Randolph. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for eastern Forsyth County, northeastern Davidson County, northwestern Guilford County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles north of Lexington, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near High Point around 4:55 p.m. Kernersville around 5 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Welcome, Lake Brant, Sedge Garden, Stokesdale, and Summerfield. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Davidson, Forsyth, and Guilford.